Welcome students to the second day of SST class. We started chapter 8 yesterday. As you know about it, it's environmental pollution. In that we covered two types of pollution. We studied about pollution and its types, but we covered two types yesterday, that were air and water pollution. Today we are going to start next topic, that is noise pollution, and the other one is soil pollution. So let's begin with the first one, that is noise pollution. My question to you is, what is noise? Noise is that sound which is unpleasant to hear. जो हमें सुनने में ना अच्छी लगे उसको बोलते हैं noise. And when noise increases to a level that starts interfering in our daily life and daily activities, it is called noise pollution. जैसे हम लोग कई बार मैरिजेस में जाते हैं या फंक्शंस में जाते हैं, हमें डीजे के साउंड्स बहुत लाउड लगते हैं. दैट इज़ अ एग्जांपल ऑफ नॉइस pollution. Now we will discuss its causes. The first is noise of loudspeakers at public meetings. जब भी मीटिंग्स होती हैं या कोई पब्लिक मीटिंग्स जिसमें पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ की मीटिंग होगी लाइक दैट, या कोई फंक्शंस पे जो लाउड स्पीकर की साउंड होती हैं वो बहुत लाउड होती हैं, तो दैट इज़ नॉट प्लेजेंट टू हियर. So that is also the example of noise pollution. High volume music like DJ in marriages or parties, as I told you. Third is loud noise of vehicles and generators. Like you people have seen, some vehicles have lots of noise coming out of it. Like if we talk about the bike Bullet, when it runs on the road, it creates lot of noise. And if we talk about the next is generators, जब generators वगैरह on होते हैं तो उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा sound होती है. The fourth is bursting of firecrackers. As I told you कि bursting of firecrackers is a cause of air pollution, कल मैंने आपको बताया था. And it is the cause of noise pollution also, because जो crackers होते हैं उसकी भी sound बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. एंड मोर ओवर समटाइम्स इससे बहुत ज़्यादा डिजीज़ भी हो जाती हैं. इट इज़ द कॉज ऑफ नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन. क्लियर? बिकॉज वो हमारे ईयर्स को हार्म करती हैं. एंड एज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन, सो लेट मी टेल यू द डिजीज़ विच आर कॉज्ड ड्यू टू नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन आर हियरिंग इम्पेयरमेंट, लाइक सुनना बंद हो जाना या सुनना कम हो जाना, डेफ. क्लियर? उसको बोलते हैं. Now next topic is soil pollution, or we can say land pollution. It is caused when solid waste like garbage या discarded material जो use का नहीं होता are dumped under land, which makes the soil infertile. जब soil infertile हो जाएगी तो it is not fit for growing plants, and it also harms the life of living organisms. Now I'll discuss its causes. The first is continuous use of insecticides and pesticides on a piece of land. What are insecticides? Insecticides means insect से बना ये word, जो insects को kill करने के लिए use होता है, like DDT. And pesticides means which is used to control pest. Clear? Like rodents, etc. The second one cause is industrial and household waste being dumped in land. Clear? Like non-biodegradable waste. Industrial waste में chemicals आते हैं, dirt, etc. And if we talk about household waste like food scraps, paper, bottles, etc. So students, I hope you are very much clear with all types of pollution. आपको समझ आ गए, 4 के 4 टाइप्स हमारे कंप्लीट हो गए. क्लियर? टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड रेस्ट 2 टाइप्स. सो लेट्स रिकॉल व्हाट वी रेड. व्हाट इज नॉइज? नॉइज इज दैट which is unpleasant to hear. Name 2 causes of noise pollution. Loud noise of vehicles and generators, and high volume music like DJ in marriages or parties. How soil pollution is harmful? It is harmful because it affects the living organism also and affects the growth of plants. Give 2 examples of biodegradable waste. Sorry, non-biodegradable waste. So, like plastic bottles, okay, and we can say polythene bags, etc. So, students, we have covered this today. So, tomorrow we will be going to discuss about 3 hours. Okay, so you have to watch this video and read pages of the book. Thank you.